Zebra's self-laminating Laserband 2 wristbands provide exceptional durability and comfort, and it's easy to assemble and secure on your patient. Just follow these simple steps. Hold the printed sheet firmly, then press the blue asterisk on the wristband and push it through the sheet. Be sure to only press on this spot and not the shaded area, which is where the wristband is attached to the carrier sheet. Next, turn the sheet over. Starting from where you have punched through the asterisk, pull the band away from the sheet. Pull it at an angle to make sure the laminate window stays affixed to the image area as you remove the band. Now, pinch the band between your thumb and forefinger along the perforated area between the image area and the laminate window area. From this pinch point, press and smooth the lamination over the image area, creating the patented self-laminating water, alcohol, and solvent-resistant seal on the wristband. Now you're ready to place the wristband on the patient's wrist. Wrap the wristband around the patient's wrist, leaving about 2 fingers space between the wrist and the band for a comfortable fit. Slide the end of the wristband with the adhesive tab through the slot on the very end of the wristband. Fold it over upon itself. Remove the paper tab to expose the adhesive as you stick it to the band. Laserband 2 also includes an extender that allows it to fit on patients with larger wrists. To use the extender, set aside the printed Laserband wristband with the blue adhesive tab covering face down. Then, find the extender on the carrier sheet. Press on the blue asterisk and push through the sheet, just as you did with the blue asterisk for the wristband. Turn the sheet over and pull away the extender at an angle, making sure the wing is attached to the extender. Match up the front of the wristband and the extender by making sure the 2 asterisks are face up and the instructions are facing you. Place the wristband's adhesive tab at the end of the extender and press down. Remove the paper tab and fold the bottom wing up and press down. Then, secure the wristband to the wrist in the same way, leaving a 2-finger width space for comfort. When you've removed and secured the wristband, detach the accompanying chart labels on the other half of the sheet along the perforation. The form is hole punched to fit securely into the patient's chart, giving you pre-printed labels to use for marking patient forms or specimen vials and cups. The Laserband 2 wristband was designed to make patient identification safe, secure, and easy. For more information about Zebra and our entire line of laser and thermal wristband solutions, please visit www.zebra.com.